What's up, guys? So I got some bundles from Ashine here, and I'm going to show you how I turn it from this black to this red. But y'all, let me tell y'all something. Ashine, count your days, because y'all hair gave me so many complications to dye, okay? Like, literally, it took me almost 7 hours to dye my hair just this red. But here's what you're going to need, guys. I had gloves, a plastic bowl, a dye brush, L'Oreal High Color Intense Red and Deep Auburn Red, and also I had a 40 volume cream developer, y'all. I was going to go 50 volume, but that was going to be insane, so I used 40. So first we're going to start off by cutting the back of the coloring tube, guys. I feel like you just get way more product out of it when you cut it from the back. And yeah, because we're not wasting no money out here, guys. So that's what I'm doing, and I used one box of the Deep Auburn Red and one box of the Intense Red. I ended up actually buying 4 boxes, but I only used 2. So I might send the other ones back, y'all. Get my coins back, because this stuff is made like $8 a box. Give me my money back and I'll buy some lashes. The box does come with like this intense hair color boost, but y'all, I forgot, like there is a difference between L'Oreal High Color and L'Oreal High Color Highlights. Highlights, I don't know what it is, but it definitely develops a lot more than the regular high color for me. I don't know, y'all. But I mixed the developer in, and I went ahead and mixed it up until you get a nice, clean, nice little creamy texture like this. Bow. So I did this in 2 sessions. So I actually started off with a test strip, which you're going to see right now. So this is my test strip that I used, and I used a test strip because I kind of wanted to test the limits to see what I can do with this hair and how it was going to react before I ruin my bundles, because who was going to lose almost $300? Not me. And I might be cheap to some of y'all, but you know, she works hard for the money. So I made sure I saturated my hair in the stuff, getting from the rooter to the tutor. And I made sure that I flipped it over as well. I made sure that the hair was complete, like there was no strand left behind. But y'all would not believe the result. First of all, I left this on for 20 minutes. I opened it back up, and I was looking at the consistency, and I was like, it's not ready yet. Then I looked at the box. It said, oh, kind of leave it on for 30 minutes. So I said, cool. So I put it in for another 10 minutes. I just like wrapped it back up and left it for 10 minutes. So I'm like, okay, this hair is taking a long time to lift. So I took my actual bundles and I decided to go ahead and do a bleach bath. Now, I know y'all going to judge the way I'm doing this bleach bath, but mind you, I've been coloring hair for almost 16 years. So I know how to do my color of hair. So even though this may look crazy, trust me, I got this. I've done bleach baths before. I've never had an issue, y'all. But you're going to be absolutely floored and flabbergasted when you see the way this hair turned out. Make sure that I mixed the cream and the the cream and the bleach together, and that's bundle number 1 going in, and I got bundle number 2 and 3 going in. And I was like, okay, usually I'm kind of used to the hair, like, you know, kind of lifting a little bit, but guys, I left it on for 30 minutes. Look at what it lifted to. Nothing. It lifted to like a 1B to a 2. All right, guys, now back to this test strip, y'all. So this is what it looked like after the first rinse off. So I said, oh no, we got to go on for part 2. Because I'm like, now the hair's not bleaching. This hair barely lifted. So I'm a little confused right now, because I'm like, is this hair going to lift? Like, and I truly believe that it wasn't the dye's fault. I know how to dye hair. But I have my first bundle, guys, and I did something different with each bundle. So for this bundle, I had ended up, after the bleach bath, I put the developer, not the developer, y'all, I'm sorry. I put on the color twice, at least twice. And with that, I just left it at the 2 hair dyes. It was a really dark bundle, but I made sure I saturated it, and I kept it on for like 40 minutes, guys. I'm gonna go back to the test strip real quick. I decided, I was like, you know, I'm gonna put her in bleach. I'm gonna test her to the limits, because after the second one, she did not lift for y'all. I fried the hair. Like, look at it. No curl, no nothing. It's fried. So I said, okay, we can't do that. So we take bundle 2, right? And I'm like, you know what? I'm not even going to put the L'Oreal High Color on. I'm just going to put on straight bleach. So I ended up bleaching this whole bundle, and I forgot I had some dye left over. I'll show you guys later in the video. So I was like, okay, let's bleach it. After I saturated the whole bundle, I mean the whole bundle, I was like, y'all, it's taking so long to lift still. Like at this time, I'm working on it for like 5 minutes and it's barely lifting. But it did end up lifting, y'all. But look at what happened to the hair. Like something's wrong with this hair. You can see that there's a disconnect between like right here and right here. Like, and it's not because of dry versus wet. Like this part was lightened so much more than this part. And the ends are kind of lightened. But yeah, there's definitely some chemical on this hair and I don't know what it is, but this is unacceptable to me. So anyways, y'all, I just went in with Adore and I used Rich Amber in Intense Red for bundle number 2. I figured it was light enough to go ahead and put the color over top. And I just saturated all of bundle 2 inside. Y'all, don't ask me about bundle 3. What happened with bundle 3, I do not know. But I do know at the end, I show you what I did with all 3 bundles because I did something different with each bundle to achieve my look. And I think you guys are actually going to be impressed. So for bundle 3, I ended up using a Bleach Bath L'Oreal High Color ×2 and Direct Bleach. For bundle number 2, I used Bleach Bath, Direct Bleach, and Adore Hair Dye. And for bundle 1, I used a Bleach Bath and L'Oreal High Color ×2. Now, if you want to see how I did this curly flip over sew-in, make sure you stay tuned for my next video. Love you guys and see you later. Bye.